business challenge here is different systems have different unique identifiers for the same object. So why this is important is if I have Joe here on the Identity Vault side and I have a Joe here on the application side in eDirectory, how do I know that when I modify Joe, I'm modifying Joe over here on the AD side? And so what we do is we create what they call an association, and that's our solution. So each system has a unique identifier. For example, Active Directory, the unique identifier is called a GUID, Global Unique Identifier. Okay? PeopleSoft usually has an employee ID number. So each system has a unique identifier that individually makes it possible that that's unique in that system. So basically, this is an example of associations. Different systems have different identifiers. The HR has an employee ID, account system has a GUID. And then what we do is when we have that association, if we create a new user, Jill, and then we create that new user in Active Directory, Jill as well, when we create that new user in the account system, we take that GUID and store it in the Identity Vault underneath an association. Once that is stored underneath, as this example is Bobby, when we go in and we change the department that Bobby's working in, Bobby knows exactly where to go over on the account system because he has an association that's been made. Okay? How this looks is something like this. This is what it actually looks like in the Identity Vault. We have two users here. We have Fred Flintstone and Marge Simpson. And you'll notice here, if we look at the association under Identity Management, each of these have 4 associations. You'll notice we have PeopleSoft, Active Directory, LDAP, and Oracle. And if we look at the association object ID, you can see what the differences are. PeopleSoft uses a P001. Active Directory uses a GUID. LDAP is the DN of where the user is located, and Oracle is the table structure. If we went in and modified Fred Flintstone, when it was modified in the connected system, such as Active Directory, would know where to go. So they would know to modify the FA3747 because it has that association.